Okay, so no signal, but you are getting a copy on me. That's that correct?
That's correct. Now your signal just boosted up a little bit.
Gotcha. Yeah, I got about signal 3 on you up here. Again, I'm only working off the Wilson, but I'm on an overlook here, right off Lake Minnewaska. You can look it up on the map. It's probably about 70, 75 miles up north of you. Roger?
Hey, Roger D. Roger D. You're making a trip, though, so be sounding good. Sounding good. So what am I doing, a 3?
Signal 3 up this way from wherever you are. The house, the car, where you at?
No, I'm home. I'm home.
Yeah, sound good, man. No problem making a trip up here. Solid signal 3. Good audio, you know, the whole jazz.
Hey, Roger D. Roger D. Isn't there a fest going on over there in Goshen or something today?